Imagine a hidden world so small that even the most powerful traditional microscopes couldn't fully reveal its secrets. A place where tiny molecular machines work tirelessly, crafting the proteins that sustain life. Now, thanks to a groundbreaking breakthrough in microscopy, scientists have unveiled the astonishing teamwork of ribosomes inside the cell, an intricate dance of molecular cooperation that is changing our understanding of biology. The ribosome, life's molecular factory. Before diving into the breakthrough, let's understand what ribosomes are. Ribosomes are tiny cellular structures responsible for protein synthesis, acting as the factories of the cell. Every function in our body, growth, repair, immune responses, depends on proteins, and ribosomes ensure that the right proteins are built at the right time. For years, scientists thought ribosomes worked alone, translating messenger RNA, mRNA, into proteins independently. However, new research suggests something far more extraordinary. Ribosomes actually collaborate in real time, forming coordinated networks inside the cell. This discovery challenges long-standing biological assumptions and opens the door to exciting possibilities in medicine and synthetic biology. Breakthrough microscopy, seeing the unseen. The key to uncovering ribosomal teamwork came from an advanced microscopy technique known as super-resolution imaging. Traditional light microscopes cannot resolve structures at the molecular level due to the diffraction limit of light, which blurs tiny details. However, recent advances in single-molecule fluorescence microscopy and cryo-electron microscopy, cryo-EM, have broken these limitations, allowing scientists to visualize cellular structures with unprecedented clarity. Using these cutting-edge techniques, researchers captured real-time images of ribosomes interacting with one another as they assemble proteins. What they found was remarkable. Ribosomes don't just work alone, but instead form groups called polysomes, where multiple ribosomes attach to a single strand of mRNA, working synchronously like an assembly line. The discovery, ribosomal teamwork in action. For the first time, scientists observed ribosomes communicating and adjusting their behavior based on the needs of the cell. Some of the key findings include: 1. Synchronized protein. Production ribosomes and polysomes don't just randomly attach to mRNA, they appear to synchronize their actions. When one ribosome slows down due to a complex protein structure, others adjust their speed to maintain efficiency. This ensures that proteins are built correctly and reduces errors in protein synthesis. 2. Quality control mechanisms. The study also revealed built-in quality control mechanisms. Ribosomes work together to detect and correct errors, reducing the chances of producing faulty proteins that could lead to diseases like Alzheimer's, cancer, or genetic disorders. This ribosomal teamwork plays a crucial role in cellular health and longevity. 3. Adaptive protein synthesis. Under stressful conditions, such as nutrient deprivation or viral infections, ribosomes reorganize their formation to prioritize essential protein production. This discovery explains how cells survive extreme conditions and could lead to new treatments for diseases where protein synthesis goes awry. The implications, how this changes biology and medicine. 1. Targeting diseases at the ribosomal level. Many diseases, including cancer and neurodegenerative disorders, involve problems in protein synthesis. Understanding ribosomal teamwork could lead to the development of new drugs that specifically target dysfunctional ribosomes, offering more precise treatments with fewer side effects. 2. Revolutionizing antibiotic development. Ribosomes are a common target for antibiotics since bacterial ribosomes differ from human ones. By understanding how ribosomes function in networks, scientists can design more effective antibiotics that disrupt bacterial protein synthesis while sparing human cells. 3. Advancing synthetic biology and biotechnology. With this new knowledge, researchers can engineer synthetic ribosomal networks to enhance protein production in lab-grown cells. This could lead to advances in biomanufacturing, creating everything from pharmaceuticals to sustainable biomaterials. The future of ribosomal research. The discovery of ribosomal teamwork is just the beginning. Future research will focus on mapping these interactions in different cell types, from neurons to muscle cells, to uncover whether this cooperation is universal. Additionally, scientists are working on real-time 3D visualization of ribosomal activity, which could provide even deeper insights into cellular function. Moreover, AI and machine learning are being integrated into microscopy analysis, allowing researchers to track thousands of ribosomes simultaneously and detect previously unnoticed patterns in protein synthesis. This combination of AI and super-resolution microscopy is expected to accelerate discoveries in cell biology and medicine. Thanks to cutting-edge microscopy, we now know that ribosomes are far more sophisticated than previously thought. They don't just work alone, but collaborate, communicate, and adapt, ensuring that life functions efficiently at a microscopic level. This breakthrough is rewriting textbooks and could lead to revolutionary advances in medicine, biotechnology, and our understanding of life itself. As research continues, one thing is certain: the more we uncover about the cell's inner workings, the closer we get to unlocking the full potential of life's molecular machinery. The future of biology is here, and it all starts inside the cell. Deep within every cell lies a microscopic world of incredible complexity and precision. Here, ribosomes, the molecular machines of life, work tirelessly to build the proteins that keep us alive. But how do these tiny structures coordinate their efforts? Thanks to groundbreaking advancements in microscopy, we're now uncovering the hidden teamwork of ribosomes like never before. Ribosomes are often called the protein factories of the cell. They read genetic instructions from messenger RNA, mRNA, and translate them into chains of amino acids, which fold into functional proteins. These proteins are the building blocks of life, essential for everything from muscle contraction to immune defense. But ribosomes don't work alone. They're part of a highly organized cellular network, collaborating with other molecules to ensure efficiency and accuracy. For decades, scientists struggled to observe ribosomes in their natural environment. Traditional microscopy techniques lack the resolution to capture these nanoscale processes in real time. Enter breakthrough microscopy technologies, tools that are revolutionizing our understanding of cellular biology. One of the most transformative advancements is cryo-electron microscopy, or cryo-EM. This technique allows scientists to freeze ribosomes in action, capturing detailed three-dimensional images at near-atomic resolution. With cryo-EM, researchers can now observe ribosomes as they interact with mRNA, transfer RNA, tRNA, and other molecular partners. This has revealed a level of teamwork and coordination that was previously invisible. So, what have we learned? Ribosomes operate as part of a highly coordinated assembly line, with each component playing a critical role. First, mRNA delivers the genetic blueprint. Then, tRNA molecules bring the corresponding amino acids. The ribosome acts as the foreman, ensuring each piece is added in the correct order. But the ribosome's job doesn't end there. It also performs quality control, checking for errors and ensuring the protein is assembled correctly. This precision is crucial. Even small errors in protein synthesis can lead to diseases like cancer or neurodegenerative disorders. Understanding ribosome function isn't just an academic pursuit. It has real-world applications. Many antibiotics, for example, target bacterial ribosomes to stop infections. By studying ribosomes at this level of detail, scientists can design more effective drugs and therapies, potentially revolutionizing medicine. As microscopy technologies continue to advance, the possibilities are endless. We're on the brink of uncovering even more secrets of the cell, from how ribosomes communicate with other organelles to how they adapt to stress. Each discovery brings us closer to understanding the intricate dance of life at the molecular level. This is the power of science, to reveal the hidden wonders of the natural world and harness that knowledge for the betterment of humanity. From the tiniest ribosome to the vastness of the cosmos, every discovery reminds us of the beauty and complexity of life. Thanks to breakthrough microscopy, we're unlocking the secrets of the cell, one image at a time. I hope you enjoyed this video as I made this video. Now don't forget to like, share, and subscribe this channel.